We're here with Vince from DTF Station, and he's gonna be showing us through the Aries 113 UV DTF printer.
Yeah, UV DTF is probably one of my favorite things. The Aries 113 is a 13-inch roll-to-roll DTF UV printer. There's no shaker dryer, it prints, it laminates. What we're creating is basically, I don't like to call it stickers, like a high quality UV decal that requires no weeding, no cutting, perfect for anybody that's doing signs, banners. If you are doing traditional DTF, UV DTF, the Aries 113 is a perfect match.
And what kind of products are we applying these decals to?
Yeah, that's the best part. It's really kind of up to you. A lot of hard goods, so drinkware, we do windows, walls, branding on equipment, machines, all sorts of good stuff, but it'll stick to any non-porous hard substrate.
Nice. And what's the hold like? We're talking like a permanent decal, temporary?
No, it's pretty permanent. I like to say semi-permanent because once you put it on there, you let it sit for about 24 hours. It's not coming off unless you forcefully take it off, but it's really not coming off.
Awesome.
So what's unique is the Aries 113 has two print heads. It has a CMYK white head and a head dedicated to varnish. So what it's doing is it prints your design on an A sheet which has an adhesive tackiness to it. As it prints, it puts your color, your white, then it puts your varnish. Then it goes through our B-roll here, which actually is a laminate, which gets hot laminated through here. So what we end up with is basically a finished transfer that all I have to do is basically just cut this out and apply it almost like a sticker. And there's no weeding or cutting. I can't stress that enough. That there is print, cut, and just apply it to whatever substrate.
And it's UV DTF, right? Because you're printing directly onto the film. But because of this system, there's no powder. Do we have to powder this? Do we have to cure it?
Yeah, that's the best part. There's no secondary unit needed. This is the whole system. It prints, it laminates, roll to roll. You can set it, send 100 jobs, whatever you need to do, and just let it run. There's no shaker dryer, there's no powder adhesive, there's none of that.
That's really awesome. Can you talk to us about some of the features on this machine?
Yeah, some of the really cool features that our machine has is it has a CMYK white varnish alarm. So when you're running production, if you're running out of a certain color, when it gets to 20%, it'll actually beep really loud. That way you don't mess up your production run. Our machine also has a vacuum that keeps your A sheet nice and flat as it prints. We avoid head strikes. Just like all of our other prestige printers, this runs on our DigiRip software. So if you can run an R2, you can run an Aries, you can run an XL2. It's universal. Some of the other cool features, the print head sensor on there so you don't get head strikes. If it does hit the film, it'll actually pause the machine. Because you are using DigiRip, you are getting those print profiles that get up to date, and so you'll have the latest profiles. Make sure you have internet when you're using DigiRip. But again, your quality is gonna be amazing. It's UV DTF, it's super easy to use.
Vince, dude, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to talk us through and show us the Aries 113. You can purchase your Aries 113 as well as a full selection of heat transfer equipment at supplies at heatpressnation.com.